Hey guys, Sandy here, and I'm super excited to share with you my Love from Lizi card kit for the month of September. Now, I subscribed last month and I got the August kit, and it was full of great silver and gold goodies. And I kind of tore apart the kit and put it in my scrapbooking stuff because I wanted to scrapbook with it and I didn't make one card with it. I have scrapbooked plenty of pages with the stuff inside of it though, so I'm proud of myself for that. But we're gonna see if I can actually make some cards with the kit this time. And honestly, if I just scrapbook with this kit every time I get it, I would be more than happy to do that because the quality is kind of amazing. Okay, so let's get out of here first. So this is the September Super Kit, and we have some cardstock. We have 2 shades of purple, a gray, a black, and a white. And these are nice, thick cardstocks. I couldn't tell you the weight. I know that some people can be like, oh yeah, that's like 100 pounds. But I don't know. I have no idea, but those are the colors. They are gorgeous. Then we have some smaller size. We have like a pearlized one, and then this is a pearlized gray, and this is like a pearlized kind of creamy color. Okay, now these look like some punch outs, and this one already punched out. So really cute stuff. Very Halloween-y, but very cute Halloween-y. Definitely not creepy. Then we have Peekaboo Candy Y'all, Too Cute to Spook, Sweet and Spooky, Cutest Pumpkin, Candy Apple Cutie, Trick or Treat Y'all, I Put a Spell on You, Spooky, Witch Please, and Boo Y'all. Lots of fun stuff there. Then, ooh, love these. Oops, I missed a shiny black one. Then we have these gorgeous things. So my friend Tracy introduced me to these before I really knew anything about Lizi or her kits. Tracy also introduced me to Lizi while I was at Junkie Fest, which was awesome. So these are awesome, awesome, awesome little peel-offs. And they come in a bunch of colors. So each peel-off each sheet has different thicknesses. Like there's the really, really skinny ones here, then the medium ones, and the thick ones. And you're just add little finished edges to your cards. They're gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. Okay, here we have some Love from Lizi Happy Haunting 6x6 papers. And it says that they are single-sided. So we have these skulls. They're not like spooky skulls. They're kind of cutie because they've got hearts. And then it in a different color scheme. Then we have the spider webs. We have this chevron. Then we have this, then we have this chevron. And we have like these kind of lines. Some really cool texture. These would be great for layers. And a bunch of different colors. This great texture in a bunch of different colors. Another set of cutie skulls. Some spider webs on some gold. Okay, that was the 12 papers. Very, very gorgeous. Then we have a stencil, and look at this. I don't think you guys can see it. Look at this stencil. Let me put it on. Let me open it up and put it on a dark background so you can see it. Just pull this back out. Look at that thing. That is gorgeous. That is a gorgeous, gorgeous spider web. So I'll put that back there. Then we have the stamp set with Happy Halloween, Spooky, Trick or Treat, and then we have a couple of the ladies here. And then some things like a poison bottle, a bow, and then these cute little skulls. And then of course we have the coordinating steel die cut dies to do the die cutting. So the skull will fit both of these. Then we have the bow one, and the poison bottle, and the three girls are all able to be die cutted. So that is awesome. Then we have this. Yay! I love these little packages where it's kind of a surprise. When you open the box, you kind of see this, and then you have the surprise. And I think I even answered a poll where I was like, I don't care because I get rid of most packaging. But I guess I really do care. I like having that little bit of a surprise when I'm opening up a kit. Ah! And there's goodies in here. Okay, so we have a Nuvo Crystal Drop, and this is in Wisteria Purple. I do not have this color yet, so that's awesome. Look at that gorgeous, let me show it to you. Look at that gorgeous purple color. Okay, then I'm just gonna dump this stuff out so I can get at it. Ooh, what is this? This is Colorcraft Brusho colors in black. I'm not exactly sure what this is. Maybe it's paint. Ooh! It is pigment. I'm going to have to do a little bit of research. I'm not exactly sure what it is. Surprise! Okay, so then we have some ribbons. We have the silver, the gold, kind of like a khaki, a black, and white. Then we have a sequin mix, and look at these sequins. They are gorgeous. Like, gorgeous. Then we have the wood veneer. I'm going to pop this open so I can show it to you. Okay, so we have a jack-o'-lantern, a cauldron, another jack-o'-lantern, looks like a little ghosty, a bat, a cutie skull, 2 broomsticks, a spider, look at her, and another cutie skull. And then, finally, we have the ephemera pack. I did not need to pull the lid off the other one. Okay, lots and lots of ephemera in here. A witch's hat, some florals, some of the little girls, a pitchfork, a little witch, ghosty, pumpkins, the spider, like all of this stuff is so cute. This owl, look at that owl. So tons of ephemera pieces, a little potion bottle, and these are nice and thick. They're like thick ephemera pieces. So there it is, guys. I really want to scrapbook with this. But I promise I'm going to try and make some cards out of here. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.